Hey everyone, I had some pallets laying around and some new additions to the homestead. Let's put these pallets to work and make a budget-friendly DIY hay feeder for practically nothing. Okay, so first things first, we need to remove the lower 3 boards of 2 pallets to create the legs. I used a sawzall with an all-purpose blade to cut through the nails. Save these pieces for later. Drop a comment and let me know what animal you are building this for. Next is building the V shape. This is crucial because it keeps the hay centered and helps prevent the animals from pulling out too much, then wasting all of it. Here's where an extra set of hands help a lot. And if you're riding solo, try using clamps to help hold things together. I use 3-inch exterior screws to hold everything in place. Remember those boards I said to save? Here's where they come in. Depending on how big you go, use them for added support for the V section. To add additional support, I use the 2x4s from another pallet to add the legs to the 4 corners of the feeder. Morning, boys. There it is, from a pile of pallets that was going to go to the dumpster to a functional hay feeder. And the best part is, the wood was free. If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment on what I should build next.